Who else can I kill? Who else can I kill?
With your taser,
What
just
else
go.
can I do? Oh.
Yeah, Draco, he's so annoying.
That's true. Draco.
He just discovered something.
Special.
Yes. Something
Something.
cute.
Uh-huh.
Something new.
Something new. It's chasing him.
Escape. At all.
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
that
wait,
thing
funny.
was
You want to hear something?
Yeah.
I just missed That's Unexpected.
Don't you dare.
Are you just gonna sing? Are you planning to sing the whole series?
Yeah, are you planning to do a whole album?
What else can I do?
Bring it in, bring it in.
Bring it in.
No.
Bring it in, bring it in. Oh, she's gonna kill you.
That's
Said, if I hear one more Encanto soundtrack from Draco, I will stab him.
But we love the Encanto soundtrack.
not from Draco.
Need to think, okay. Dogs.
Doggy,
Dogs.
doggy, turn around. Doggy, doggy, touch the couch. That's stolen. You're gonna die.
Dog.
No, come here.
Rainbow?
Who has a cute button nose?
That's-
And scary eyes.
Ben.
That's you, Ben.
Yeah.
That's you. It's you, Ben.
Yeah, it is me.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Now, do you want me to